Hello, I want to show you the new convenient and modern renovation. And of course, we can do the same renovation for you. Let's look and let's touch. Of course, for all women, the kitchen is a special place. And let's begin with it, with this special, modern and convenient place. I think it will be a pleasure to cook this. Let's look. I can hear a cooker. It's very comfortable and convenient. There I can see oven, electric oven and microwave oven. And of course you will ask me, where is a fridge? But the fridge is here. Let's look and let's open. Oh, it's very big fridge and we can see two shelves at the top of this fridge. It's very convenient, I think. And at the bottom we can see a freezer. Cold and very convenient and very big, I think, for ice. And you know, for all women, я хотела сказать, что очень важно. Ну, окей, без рук будем говорить. All women don't like to wash up. And in this kitchen we can find a dishwasher. Let's look this dishwasher, and I think it is not small and not big and very comfortable and very convenient. Dishwasher, I think it's only for women. From this place we will go to the bathroom. I think you like this more than this modern kitchen. Turn on the light. It's very nice. Stop. Let's go and look this bathroom. Of course, it's very big, I think, but it's very convenient. For example, we can see a toilet, a sink and a very big shower cabin. It's very big. You will ask me, what is the circle on the ceiling? Of course, you know it is flush mounted ventilation. I think it is very modern, very convenient for living, and nothing is making a sound. Making a sound. But not so loudly, I think. And silence. Okay. I like this bathroom because it's very big. But there is no a mirror. Girls like mirrors. I think they will put it up some days before. Пошли дальше. In this flat we can see a very big and convenient and cozy living room. Soft sofa, and in this living room you can sit, drink a cup of coffee and watch TV. And of course, the main in this flat, it is wonderful view to the city Batumi and of course to the Black Sea. Let's go to the balcony. Wonderful view and wonderful weather today. In this flat we have two rooms. This room, I think it's a cabinet. It is very big, I think, and there is a coming air from the ventilation, да? Как это приток воздуха? Coming air, приток воздуха, откуда?
С улицы.
There is a coming air from the street. Let's go to another room. Of course, it's very nice bedroom. There is a big wardrobe, 2 bed cabins, and of course, a big king-size bed with a TV in front of it. And you can see a very nice view, the same nice view to the Black Sea and to the wonderful city Batumi. And you know, of course, we can help to choose a reality in Batumi for you and make a special and modern renovation such is for your taste. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and put a like. Goodbye.